So you're curious, you want to become a life coach and you want to be able to become a successful life coach from your home, but you don't really know how to get started. Don't worry, this video is for you.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friends, it's Super Sid, the marketing shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be talking about how you can become a life coach from home without ever having to get certifications, without having to go out there and spend ridiculous amounts of money to get started. And we're going to be talking about how you can sign up clients really quickly here in the next week or so if you start today. Let's rock and roll. All right, so first things first, what is a life coach? And exactly who is it that life coaches help? So a life coach is obviously going to be someone who coaches someone's life, but you look at that and you're like, whoa, that's a really big thing. It is, right? But we really break this down into three major core markets. And these three core markets within life coaching is going to be health, wealth, or relationships. And pretty much anything that you're going to help someone with in their life is going to fall within one of those three core markets. And then as a coach, right, people are going to hire you as a coach and want to pay you money as a coach because they're going to have a goal that they have. And ultimately, right, they're going to be here when they meet you. This goal is going to be up here. You are going to play the guide that's going to help them not only reach their goal, but you're going to be helping them reach their goal a lot faster than they were to do it if they were on their own. So what we want to make sure we do as life coaches is that we build a plan or a system that is one to us that is going to help solve a problem with a specific solution in that marketplace. And then we want to make sure that we're demonstrating exactly how we're doing that each and every day. All right, so you know what a life coach is, you know exactly how one gets paid, and specifically what a life coach is going to do every day. And now you're like, yeah, I want to become a life coach. Yeah. It's really fun. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to identify, right, the problem and the specific who out there who has that problem that we want to go out there and look to serve and want to help on a day-to-day basis so that those people can be attracted to us and ultimately want to come and get our help, right, and raise their hand and say, hey, I got this problem. I see you have a solution that can help me, and walk our way to start wanting to pay us money, say yes, and take action on our offers or our solutions that we have as life coaches so that we can help them with their problem. So what we want to make sure we do here is when we're looking to identify, right, who it is that we're wanting to help, we need to identify the two specific desires that they have, but three specific questions that are going to help us do that. The first question we typically want to ask is we want to answer the specific question that our prospects might have. This is going to be, if I could just blank. Now, when you answer this specific question, you're going to start seeing what it is that they want right now that's going to be able to help them with reaching the goal that they might have. The second question we want to ask is, what is their surface desire? The surface desire is going to be specifically what is it right now that they know if they get to, it's going to help them get to that third question that we want to answer, which is going to be, what is their core desire? So the surface desire that I do with life coaches is I help life coaches make their first or their next 100K. That is something that when they make that first or next 100K, that 100K is going to help them do something else, which might be, quit their job. It might be to spend more time with their family, travel more as a life coach and live the nomadic lifestyle, whatever it might be. But ultimately, right, that 100K is a surface desire that I help life coaches with. And then those life coaches make their first or their next 100K and go and get to enjoy their core desire that me and them got to work together on to help them gain. So ultimately, right, as a coach, you're going to help people not only solve a problem and probably get to something they've never gotten to before in their life, but you're also going to help them do it faster than they could ever imagine. All right, so before I go into specifically how you can create your irresistible life coaching offer that people are going to come running to you with their credit cards in hand, ready to pay you money to get help from you starting really soon here, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. Make sure to click those buttons below and subscribe. All right, so now we know exactly who it is and how we want to identify who it is that has the problem that we want to solve. The next thing we want to make sure that we do is identify not only a solution, but create a specific offer that we can offer those people consistently that's going to be able to help those people who have that problem. So what we want to do is we want to go out there and we want to make sure we not only identify a specific solution, right, that we want to help them with, what specifically is it that you can do? Is it one-on-one calls that's going to help them? Is it putting them in a group course? Is it maybe doing a home study course that you can put together? Is it going on a retreat, on a 3-day retreat with a small group of people and being able to help them with a solution there, right? We here at Life Coach Launch do a little bit of all of that as we've designed out our entire business. But what is it? What is the core way that you want to use to help people? This can be as little as a book or as much, right, as a very high ticket mastermind. But what is it that you want to do, and what is that main solution going to be? Once we identify the main solution, we then want to make sure that when we're creating our offer, we also are wanting to answer to, right inside that offer, with other things that we can add to that offer, the internal and external objections that people might have with that specific offer. We want to make sure that we're answering questions like, can I do this to your prospect? And obviously, do they have the resources to get this done? Those are questions they're going to have. We want to make sure that we give them answers to those questions inside the offer, making it easier for them not only to take action on the offer and say yes, but to take action immediately on the offer so you can sign up somebody a lot faster and a lot more quicker. The next thing we want to make sure we add to our offers is what we classify as a reason to take action now. The reason to take action now is specifically going to be where you will add in a bonus or two, or possibly even an open or closed card, or this means that you'll add in a deadline of when that offer is only going to be available for. This will add up the pressure for the people who's receiving this offer, making it known to them that if they want to take action and get help right now, they need to take action right now, and this is going to help you make money a lot faster. All right, so we have the offer, and you're super excited about your offer, and you cannot wait to go out there and start helping people with your offer. But how do we go out there and start making money with the offer that we just created? And here at Life Coach Launch, what we teach our clients to do, they're looking to make their first or their next 100K, is to put on what we classify as profitable presentations. And what a profitable presentation is going to be is where you are looking to put together a group of people. All these people are going to have that specific problem, and you can put together this group of people and you want to run an event, right, that is going to help these people who have that specific problem. So these events that we typically help our coaches with are going to be things like online workshops, online challenges. You can even run an online summit, or you can run a live event or even a masterclass. But what we want to make sure that we're helping, right, the prospects and the people who have the problem that we're looking to help, right, is we want to make sure that we can go out there and we can put on profitable presentations. This can easily be done from home, from your laptop, right? I do one on my MacBook Air here all the time, right? And you can go out there and you can literally just put on a presentation, use Zoom, invite people to this presentation, or even put together a Facebook group. We have plenty of videos that talk to you not only about how to put together a Facebook group on this channel, but specifically how to grow a Facebook group and make money from a Facebook group using profitable presentations. So you can literally go in and however you want to do this, and you can consistently put on profitable presentations where you're helping people with those surface desires and the stuff that they have that can help them, right, start taking steps forward, right, to the end journey, to their end goal, to the thing that it is that they want to get help with. And then ultimately, the ones that you end up helping out that profitable presentation are then going to be in what we classify as a yes state, meaning that they are going to be ready and ripe for you to want to offer them to start helping them more. And when you offer to help those people more at the end of that profitable presentation, a lot of times multiple people are going to say yes, helping you sign up new clients every single week, and ultimately helping you start becoming that life coach, that successful life coach that is not only helping people but starting to make money and starting to be able to run a successful life coach from your home. Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to make your first or next 6 figures as a life coach or healer? Well, then I got a free gift for you called my 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, and you can grab that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now in the description. Just click down here in the description and you can grab this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, which is going to be a 22-page guide showing you how you can go out there and become a life coach and make 6 figures as a life coach following our very simple 3-step system. Make sure to click that link down there in the description and grab your free copy of that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking down there below and grabbing your free copy of this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. We'll see you in the next video.